I'm going to be giving you my top 5 deep conditioners at this current time, because that might change tomorrow. I like products. I love to try products. I like making my own products. So the first one, which I talk about on here all the time, is the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. If you have dry hair, your hair is definitely going to be moisturized after this. The next one is this Kurlee Belle Banana Nut and Avocado Deep Treatment. The smell is absolutely amazing. I like the subtle scents and things. So this one gives a subtle scent, but it definitely moisturizes your hair. The next one is Carol's Daughter Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask. It literally brought my curls back. I really felt like this was a great product for my hair. The fourth one that I cannot get enough of is this Emerge Back to Life Hair Mask. Now this hair mask is $7. Let's start there. $7. Who said it? $7. How much? $7. The last one, child. It's amazing, okay? Your hair is revitalized. It is called the Camille Rose Naturals Algae Renew Cocoa and Mango Butter Deep Conditioner. Hello, love. Welcome back to my channel. All subscribe. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and I am back with another video. Hold that thought. I don't have earrings on, and one of my aunties will be upset about that. She'll make a comment. So let's find some earrings. I'm back. Hoops. All day, every day. So, welcome back. This is video 2 of my favorites, top 5 favorites as of right now for various products. So the first video I put out was the shampoo and cleansers. Today we are doing deep conditioners. Deep. Your hair needs some moisture and you need to deep condition your hair. So, let's get started. Wait, before we get started, before we even get into what you need to do to your hair, what you need to do to help your hair health is subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday-ish. We aim for Tuesday and Friday because we will give you some good content and you will learn to grow your hair healthy and long. So, without further ado, let's hop right into the video. I'm going to be giving you my top 5 deep conditioners at this current time, because that might change tomorrow. I like products. I love to try products. I like making my own products. So that's where we're at. Deep conditioning is essential to growing long, healthy, natural hair. Healthy first. Healthy, natural hair, which will get you what? You guessed it, long hair. So deep conditioning gives your hair the moisture that it needs. So deep conditioners are one of my favorite products to buy. So I do go through a lot of them, but I absolutely love deep conditioning products. So let's get it started. The first one, which I talk about on here all the time, and it's empty because I used it all, is the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This hair mask is so moisturizing. Like if you have dry hair, your hair is definitely going to be moisturized after this. It's not a protein treatment, and if your hair doesn't like honey, then obviously you shouldn't use this product because honey is like one of the top ingredients in here. Yeah, it's water and then raw honey. Honey is a humectant, meaning that it draws in moisture, so your hair will be drawing in moisture, which is a great thing for me personally. But if your hair does not like humectants, this isn't for you. But it smells absolutely amazing. The texture isn't super thick, but it's not watery either. It smells so good and it keeps your hair moisturized for days. I believe this is a little bit on the more expensive side, just a teensy bit. But for deep conditioners, you should really be able, like you should really splurge if you can. I'm not saying there are not deep conditioners that are less expensive that work, but if you're gonna splurge on something for your hair care, deep conditioners. This one is absolutely amazing. I buy it all the time. As you can see, it's empty and I will be purchasing another one whenever I go back to the store. So the next one is this Kurlee Belle Banana Nut and Avocado Deep Treatment. I've used this a couple times and I really do like it. It has really good products. The smell is absolutely amazing. The smell, I'm not really big on scents, so I like the subtle scents and things. So this one gives a subtle scent, but it definitely moisturizes your hair. It isn't as thick as like whoop. Did you see that? And this deep conditioner has banana, avocado, honey, and coconut, which are all moisturizing products. I have a whole video on Kurlee Belle, so I'll link it over here. I would definitely pick this up. I thought it was I really like it. I've been using it more and more and I've been liking it more and more. So I would definitely recommend this product. The next one is something I recently tried, which is Carol's Daughter's Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask. Now this mask, so good. It literally brought my curls back. I really felt like this was a great product for my hair. My hair definitely felt moisturized afterwards, but it didn't feel like I needed a protein treatment or something afterwards, but it just felt really good. My hair was super dry. My curls came back to life when I used this. A little bit goes a long way, so I didn't have to use a lot of this product, but definitely very moisturizing. I would highly recommend this product as well, and I think the price point is pretty good. I'll put everything in the description below so you'll be able to purchase it, but would recommend this. It has coconut oil and coconut milk, mango butter, and marumu butter. Marumu. It has marumu. It has marumu butter. I don't know, but it has different oils and butters in here, and I really like this product. I will definitely be using it until it's gone. And the fourth one that I cannot get enough of is this Emerge Back to Life hair mask. Now this hair mask is $7. Let's start there. $7. Who said it? $7. How much? $7. How much? $7. You got it? $7. You got it? $7. It's only $7. And it's super moisturizing. This is such a good deep conditioner. It's not super thick. I sometimes like deep conditioners that are really thick, but most of the time I don't. I prefer a deep conditioner that has like a little bit of give, like a little bit of water up in there, just like a little bit, you know? And that is what this gives me, right? This is so moisturizing. You get so much product in here, and the ingredients are pretty good. I don't remember the ingredients being bad at all. I have a whole review on these products as well, so I'll link it in the description and in the cards, but I would definitely use this again. This is specific to Target or exclusive at Target, I believe, but these their whole hair care line I really like personally. I would definitely recommend this. It's very moisturizing. You only have to leave it on here for like 15-20 minutes as normal, but but when you rinse it out, you can honestly feel how moisturized your hair is. This really does bring your curls back to life. There's some deep conditioners do not. They moisturize, but only if you already got a little bit of moisture, you know, only if you've been keeping up with your week-to-week deep conditioning. And for the girls that, you know, don't know and really keep up with their week-to-week deep conditioning, this one's for you. This one's for you. Not all of us keep up with the week-to-week deep conditioning. I mean, it's just life happens, you know? Life happens. And then we get into not deep conditioning. So the Emerge Deep Conditioner will definitely get your curls all the way together. So the last one I do not have a picture of. I have this one here because I was like, well, maybe I can just show it, but I don't have it with me. I used it and apparently I threw out the container, and I went to pick it up and they were sold out. Excellent. It is called the Camille Rose Naturals Algae Renew Cocoa and Mango Butter Deep Conditioner. Now this Cocoa and Mango Butter Deep Conditioner, child, it's amazing, okay? Your hair is revitalized. It moisturizes so well. It is not it is thick. It's not as watery as like the Emerge Deep Conditioner or the TGIN Deep Conditioner. It is thicker, more like this Kurlee Belle deep conditioner. But it is so smooth and it smells amazing, and your hair just, it soaks right into your hair, so your hair is just so moisturized after. Your hair is just thanking you after. Your hair was like, wow, I didn't know how thirsty I was. Like, wow, I didn't know I could curl like this. This is what your hair is saying to you. I didn't even know I could curl like this because I had no idea I could get this much moisture into my hair. That's what that deep conditioner does, all of that. All of that. Honestly, it's a great deep conditioner. You definitely need to pick that up. That is all 5 of my favorite deep conditioners right now. Some of them I've been using for forever, like the TGIN hair mask, the Camille Rose deep conditioner I've also been using for forever. They will remain in my favorites because they honestly moisturize your hair so well. But those are my top 5. In the next video, we're gonna be discussing protein treatments. I haven't really seen people do too many of their like top favorite protein treatments, but protein is essential to natural hair. I have low porosity hair, so some people say that low porosity hair doesn't do well with protein. I'm not that good. My hair wants protein, and needs protein, and it loves protein. So I'm gonna give you my protein treatments, deep conditioners that I use in the next video. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.